I'm just sitting by myself by the Duomo here. You can see the building and the surrounding as well. I'm all by myself and obviously I'm enjoying myself. I'm enjoying my being alone. I had a bout of fever some days ago and I just thought I should equally seek the face of outside. No, there is one thing about life. For me, whenever I'm indoors and I don't bask myself in the moon or in the sun, I feel sick somehow. The sun and the moon help me to reconnect with nature. I don't know about you anyway, but I tell you, it's a very, very nice way to keep your energy going. Yes, the moon and the sun. Always make sure you have a bit of the sun, if not every day, but at least 3-4 times a week. And the moon as well, because these are elements that help us to reconnect with nature. But I don't know about you, as I earlier said. For me, I always enjoy it, and it helps, or they help me a great deal. They help me seriously. The moon, the sun, they are part of my being, because I'm a nature person, a complete nature person. So at every given opportunity, I try to reconnect with nature. That's the basic truth. So my advice for you is, don't always stay indoors all day. Try to reconnect with nature. Put yourself in the sun sometime during the day, and at night, if you can afford it, you don't have to stay long inside. Outside. Sorry. For instance, at night you can stay just 10 or 20 minutes, and that will be enough. To be enough to keep you connected to nature. Because without nature, there's no way we can actually live well. Not many of us know this. Well, that is what I have to say. Thanks so much for listening. Have a beautiful night rest.